If I was you, who is a party lover, Meca would never see my patronage ever again. Ever again. But someone is stupid, so not get to me I come from. The fact that Meca is still willing to want to make money in a serious time like this is proof that Meca does not care about their patrons. The only person I'm sorry for, I feel any sympathy for, is the staff that will be forced to go and work because they have no other choice. This is madness. This is madness. Melissa is now a category 4 hurricane. Gilbert was a category 3. Any wanna go at the party, una dumbest set of people who ever come out of Jamaica.